What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these paleo burger buns, which go perfectly like on any burger or chicken sandwich or whatever. They're super easy to make, so we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees, and then we're just going to put in our eggs. We're going to put in our cassava flour, our psyllium husk, I don't know, and applesauce, and then you're just going to blend that together until it's completely combined. So you'll only need to blend it for like 30 seconds, and then when it's done, it's going to look like this. So how you're going to form your patties is you're going to wet your hands down first so that it doesn't like stick to your hands, and then you're just going to form patties. And so the amount that we're doing, it makes 4 of them, and we're just going to form those up, put a little egg wash on top, and then we're going to throw them in the oven and bake them for 18 minutes. And when they're done, they're going to come out and look like this. And then when you cut them in half, you'll be able to see that's just a nice doughy, like cooked middle. These were delicious. Hope you guys enjoyed, and bon appetit, y'all.